This is my review of the ST9120G4012 furnace control board. This is a fairly common furnace control board. In this particular case, the furnace is a SP80 Tempstar, but it's also a standard compatible board for a lot of other furnaces. I'm making this review to document how easily it was really to install the board. There's only one screw here and one screw down here on the bottom that you have to take off to replace this board. Just for example, I'll show you the old board. It doesn't look the same, but that's okay. This is an obsolete board made by Honeywell that you really can't get any more new. So the thing to do is to get yourself a new board. And all the connections are plug and play. They're all just push-in connections. You have these blades, as you can see here. This blade, or the connections you just plug in. And there's basically a connection from the transformer, these two wires that power the board, and then the board has a control that connects to the transformer to power it. And down here, your small wires are the 4 wires that go to your thermostat up on your wall. It's really not that complicated. If you spend a little bit of time and research, you'll save a lot of money. It could cost you $600 at least to have a serviceman come out, and they'll just put a knockoff board in anyway. So why not put in a board that is on Amazon that you can return if you have any issues? Well, I highly recommend this, and I hope you like this review. Thank you.